Hello students, myself Suresh Sharma. Here we talk about the very important poem of class 10 CBSE boards NCERT books, that is the Dust of Snow. This is the poem composed by Robert Frost. Here we discuss about the poem. This is the poem The Way a Crow Swooped Down Me the Dust of Snow from a Hemlock Tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So here in this poem they are given 8 lines in 2 stanza. So here in the beginning stanza the poet passing through under a hemlock tree and a crow was sitting over that and he falls the dust of snow on the poets and the mood of the poet had been changed because the two natural things crow and hemlock, this is the indication of a ill omen and it is the indication of already a ill omen and bad luck. But here the readers, here the reader are confused about which part of the poets the dust of snow had falls. That it is the over the head or it is over the shoulders. So this is not familiar with the falling of the dust of snow. So here the poet totally confused because the reader also don't know about the day of the poets has been already terribly bad and from the falling of the dust snow. So this is the explanations here you see and after that in second stanza the poet thinks about a right approach and he thought at a little moment when you thinking about the negatively, so this not change your whole life if you want. If you think negatively all the day, it waste all the day of your life and the whole life also when you realize that the negative approach of your mind accept. So try to remove the negative thought and negative approach. After that you see the poet tells about the when you left the negative approach from the minds. So after the some part of your life you have saved. So here the poet describes about the save of the part of life by accepting the positive approach. And here in first stanza the poet's mood in negatives and ill-omen and second stanza big things. The poet's thought that I have really saved my all part of life by accepting and removing the negative approach. So this is the explanation of this poem, Dust of Snow. So here you see students some major words, that is hemlock, a poisonous tree with having a white flowers and this is a European plants, looks like a American conifer tree and you see that is the root, it means to say held in regret and indicate you see indicate it means to say this is the equivalence to death, doom and ill omen and after that you see su, it means to say. So this is the words. So students, this is the explanation and this is the keywords. After that we talk about the central idea of this poem, Dust of Snow, which was composed Robert Frost. So let me think about the central idea. So here the central idea of this poem. So students, let you can write just here the poets Robert Frost tells about his mood that is terribly changed by the falling of dust over on him and a part of his day has been ruined because he feels it negatively because he thinks also that crow and hemlock tree is a negative indications and after that he thinks also that all the part he saved, that is he passed joyfully and happily. So here both the stanza tells about the right approach of life. That is, first stanza indicates about the negative approach of life, and the second stanza describe about the right approach. It means to say positive approach of the life. So same this way, students, you feel when you feel and any negative approach, negative thinking, so you try to remove from the negative thinking the your minds, and after that you can enjoy joyfully the whole part of the day and whole part of the lives till then.